Alright, we're going to give this here a shot. We're going to do a STOL, short takeoff and landing. Lined up on a runway here already, and we got a pretty good headwind. So we got the parking brake off, put the flaps on, and let's see if we can get this puppy in the air nice and fast. Alright, here we go. Full throttle. Yeah, that was a pretty good headwind. Now we don't need that whole runway at all. Ooh, I'm just launching some altitude. I don't need that altitude. This wind is just pulling me around. That's gonna help me out on this landing. Feels a little bit rough. Sorry back there in the back seat. Oh, I ain't got no back seats, but sorry right there in my co-pilot seat. Try not to get any chunks on my new upholstery. Alright. I think I'm far enough away. Focusing around. There we go. Yeah. I think it's pushing me around a bit. Alright, so we need to get a little bit more oomph. Make sure we get above them trees, because that would be less than ideal to hit those. Yeah, I definitely need a little bit more bump. So I've been trying to aim at that second yellow line. That's my target. And we'll see if I can make my target. Getting it nice and slow. See if I can dump it. Oh, I'm gonna get a little bit past it. Flaps off. Ah, spun the wheel around a little bit. What? What? That was awesome. Look at that. That's not bad. That's not bad. I kind of got cattywampus when I landed, but that's not bad. All right, I'll take that. Oh man, that was all right. I like that one a whole lot.